To anyone came back together, bro. What is happening this year? This year's been a f***ing emotion roller coaster. We've got Big Bang with Still Life, bro. And then CL, of course, I knew CL was gonna perform at Coachella, but I did not, bro. I did not know that 21 was gonna be there. And first of all, we're gonna check out this fan cam, but I just want to say all my thoughts. I had no thoughts, but here's where I'm like, okay, I'm happy, I'm excited, I can't wait to check. Here's where I'm mad. You tell me not one of my friends, whether they be with Coachella or 88 Rising, I won't expose y'all, not one of y'all could have gave me a clue, a little hint that maybe 21 could have been, or I just didn't know, or like at least a confirmation. I could have gone to both Coachella. Look, okay, last Coachella I was really gonna go to because Big Bang was gonna be a part of it. Obviously COVID happened. Do you understand how much I would have lost my shit if I was there? Like, bro, if someone told me that 21 might have been there, like I would have struggled with rent or whatever, etc, etc. But you know what, it's 21 and I don't know if I ever have the day to ever go see them live together. It's so dope to see them live. Every time they always get together, whether it be an IG live, but this is a performance of I Am the Best. You know how much, oh, I would have lost my, whoo, bro. Oh God. First of all, it's a CL concert. That's already tempting. I'm like, all right. I did get to see CL a lot, but still. But you know what? This was iconic. Even though I wasn't there, this was iconic. 21 just appearing on Coachella. I should have just gone to the 88 Rising, man. I actually just regret it now. Like, it's cool seeing it like through video, but I want to experience it live. There's a difference between experiencing it live. You know what I'm saying? Oh, anyways, we about to go into this. There's some fan cams. I don't know if they're actually good. I was just so hyped up. There's a mix of emotions. Bro, I'm just a blackjack that would love to see 21 I Am the Best, Coachella. Let's go. Bro, imagine you're just vibing and you see those, is this someone have the middle finger up? Oh, no, never mind, it's part of it. Imagine you just vibing for seals and then obviously see 4 iconic shadow images. I would have lost my shit. You already know, if you're a Blackjack, you already know though that if CL's concert and you see 4 iconics, that better not be some April Fool shit. I would've, yes, and that would be me, I'll be scared. Oh my God. Bruh. The best, the queens, yo. Yo, I would've lost. Even right now, I'm hyped. Imagine, that would've been. And then Minzy with the. Let's go, bruh. I would've been so much, like, bruh. I wouldn't know what to do with myself if I was in this position. I don't know if I was supposed to record or just like just experience a little bit of both. Park from. You better get yours. You better get yours. Alright. And Dara with the hair. We already know with her iconic hair. But she just turned it up. She became a shark tail. Or a shark fin. CL always slaying the game. Oh, bro. I love CL's album stuff. Then we got Minzy. She's still with all that energy, too. I mean, she's mad young still. Don't forget that. She is young still. But it's crazy because you watch her grow up and just to see them all together. Can I take a breather? Bro, Bro, if I didn't have the right nutrients in my body or some stuff like that, I might have passed out. I might have just been. Maybe it was best I wouldn't have gone. Nah, it would have been better if I would have gone. Ooh, hey, move your hand. man, I hate this. Yo, I get when people film and record, but bro, if they block my image, I'll be so mad, especially during this moment. Oh, alright. Oh, Clark Bummy. I don't know what I would do with myself. Let's go CL. $1 billion baby. Bro, it's woo, let's go 21. That's so nostalgic. Man, if they, you know what, I lost my shit if they just came out with some new unreleased shit. Woo, you better get that energy. No. You know what this reminds me? Remember when they first came back with their full album, Crush? And it was how epic that was? This out, 21 need a fucking comeback. I don't care who's gonna help out and put it together. They need a fucking comeback and slay all these hoes out here. Bro, if you grew up in a time where I listened to K-pop, you know how I feel. 21 was that group, and they still are. They can still be. I don't even know why I put guns up in the sky, bro. Look how high, bro. We need this. We need 21 back. I don't care. Oh God, somebody do this. I don't have the money and funds to do this. But if anyone wants to have the funds to push back a single, put back a single with them, or even an album, I would love everything. Iconic! Of course it would be Coachella. Of course it would be Coachella. Damn. Hey yo, I just want a 21 comeback. That was nice. I literally had a whole thought process right there, y'all. Hey, yo, shout out to all the Blackjacks out here. Yo, showing some love. You already know of course I gotta show some love. I was a little bit busy here and there, but, you know, I had to show some love. When I heard 21 was on Coachella, I was like, what the? Y'all telling me that none one of y'all knew that there was 21, and none of my friends, knew that 21 was gonna pop up. You telling me? Let's do that. Anyways, this is Dre. Fuck, I don't even know what my name is. My name is Dre, but I was gonna say JRE. I'm gonna watch this again. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Should 21 come back? Please tell it in the comments. Please. If anyone from YG is watching, or even any of the 21 members is watching, yeah. Damn, I'm crying again. Jesus, maybe this is like pent up. Alright, I'm out of here. Alright, peace out, y'all. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you dream, there, well, I can't even say it. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video, Twitch stream, and join the Discord as well. Link in the description. Alright, like this video, share this video, subscribe. Peace. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.